Hello. This is a video how to uninstall, how to remove the Microsoft Edge Windows. And for be honest with you, I don't like to take too long, so let's go to the point. And for all of you, you cannot uninstall the Microsoft Edge. Cannot uninstall the Microsoft Edge. Why? Because Microsoft Edge uses as well the web file tool of Microsoft Edge. From time, it means it's running on the background of your apps in Windows. So Microsoft Edge cannot be uninstalled because it's required for Windows 10 and with Windows 11. This is a website, this is a browser that must be in Windows, so you cannot uninstall those. So, for example, if you don't like the Microsoft Edge, what you can do is solve the problem because there is a lot of commands out there that I don't recommend. So, what you can do is you go to the default apps, you go to the web browser. Microsoft will be here, so you change it to the another browser that you want to use: Opera, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much. Don't install Microsoft Edge. Take care. Thank you.